So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to download the Hec-Ras 2D hydraulic model software. Now open a new tab in your browser and enter as Hec-Ras. So now I have entered as Hec-Ras. Now enter to search. So now click the first result, the Hec-Ras Hydrologic Engineering Center. So I'm gonna click this. And this is the official platform where you can download the Hec-Ras 2D hydraulic model software. So the short description about this is a welcome to Hydrologic Engineering Center River Analysis System website. So this software allows the user to perform one-dimensional steady flow and one and two-dimensional unsteady flow calculations and sediment transport and mobile bed computation and water temperature and water quality modeling. So now we're going to navigate to this option called downloads. So here we can download a Hec-Ras 2D hydraulic model software. So the first is the Hec-Ras 6.7 beta 3 Windows version here, and followed by the stable version, that is Hec-Ras 6.6 Windows. So we're gonna download this specific version, Hec-Ras 6.6 Windows, and below we have this the Hec-Ras archived version Windows. So I'm gonna click this arrow here. So here you can able to download the different versions of Hec-Ras here. So you can able to see here, starting with the Hec-Ras 6.7 beta 2 setup package, and we have this Hec-Ras 6.5 setup package, and we have the different versions of Hec-Ras. You can download according to your choice. So in this video I'm gonna download this specific version called 6.6, that is Hec-Ras 6.6 Windows, and followed by below we have the Hec-Ras 6.6 Linux version, and last we have this Hec-Ras Tiles server 64-bit. So you can download Hec-Ras Tiles server. So now we're gonna download the Hec-Ras 6.6 Windows. So now to download our Hec-Ras 6.6 Windows software, I'm gonna click this option called download. And once you did that, in this section here, so now here you can able to observe the Hec-Ras 6.6 version setup has been downloaded, has been started downloading here. So and now here you can able to observe the Hec-Ras 6.6 version has been downloaded. So once you downloaded the Hec-Ras software, so next I'm gonna open my file manager and I'm gonna navigate to the download section here. So now here you can able to see we have our Hec-Ras version 6.6 has been downloaded. So now we're gonna install our Hec-Ras 6.6 version here. So I'm gonna right click here. So now to install our Hec-Ras 6.6 version, I'm gonna right click and click this option called run as administrator. So I'm gonna click yes. So in the next step, currently it is loading the Hec-Ras, and now we're gonna click this option called next, and make sure that you click this option called I agree to the above terms and condition for use, and I'm gonna click this option called next, and you can select your suitable drive location to install Hec-Ras 6.6. So I'm gonna click next, and could you like to set up create a shortcut which appears on every user's desktop? So I'm gonna click yes here in this box, create a desktop shortcut. So now I'm gonna click next, and now I'm gonna click install. So it's gonna take some moment to install the Hec-Ras 6.6 hydraulic model software. So currently it is installing the Hec-Ras. So now we have installed our Hec-Ras software. So I'm gonna click this option called finish. So now we have installed our Hec-Ras 6.6 version. So now I'm gonna navigate the windows here. So I'm gonna click here as a Hec-Ras 6.6, or you can search by Hec-Ras 6.6. So I'm gonna click this. So it's going to open the software. So now we're going to click this option called agree to the above terms and condition for use, and I'm going to click next, and this is our Hec-Ras version 6.6. So this is our Hec-Ras version 6.6. So in this video I have shown you how to download and install Hec-Ras 6.6, the hydraulic model software. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.